My job as an advisor, Masoom, is not to tell you which is the best fund. I can't predict that. I can't tell you when markets are high or when markets are down. My job is to just make you last there for 20 years, 15 years until you have achieved your goals. The day you tell me, Gajinder, my goal was this, to buy a dream house, and I know if the money is ready, I'll say, Masoom, isko nikal lo, go and buy that dream house of yours. So I have to just make you sit there
And make sure you
are invested until your goal is achieved. So for with all our clients, all our investors, retail said, don't worry about money. Somehow we have cracked this formula. Paisa ban jayega. We'll all make a lot of money if we just behave rightly. But what about health? And that's why today my biggest concern or biggest focus is health part. That's why, and this money gives me that confidence. The wealth that I've created, I don't want to do any work which is stressful. I may work hard. Hard is different from working under stressful conditions, right? So that's why I live very close by to my house. I come to home for lunch because you want to increase the longevity of your life, right? Earlier, मैं ना सुबह शाम.
But your job is very stressful, right?
No, not at all. I don't look at the markets. Suppose on day one, if you come to me and say, Gajendra, मुझे wealth बनाने से Masoom, you have to give minimum 5 years. Don't even look at me. Don't even talk to me. 5 साल में कुछ नहीं होएगा. मतलब मार्केट ऊपर जाएंगे नीचे. I'm preparing you. Why I take a time to prepare you in the first meeting? Because if you don't understand in the first meeting, you will keep getting nervous, right? So I tell you, first 5 years you will not make money. Your money will, see, if you want your 100 to become 200, be prepared to first see 80. If you are not prepared to see 80, it will not become 200. So I'm preparing you in the first meeting. So when, suppose after 6 months happens, I'll tell you, Masoom, I told you so. Right? So,
Yeah.
So that's why we take time in the first 2 meetings so that you are prepared.
How important is your mindset in this?
Everything is about mindset only.
Hmm.
Nothing else. All you are doing is coaching. This coaching is all about to train your mindset.
So you always had this mindset. What was it like for you? Where did that kind of shift come in?
So, in 2010, I wanted to make quick wealth. I did future and options and leverage. I lost 50 lakhs. Then I realized fast money nahi banta hai. Today, I know. So, see, I'm talking about 100 crores. Of course, my target is 100 crores, but I know one day this 100 crore will become 1,000 crores or 2,000 crores because I've now known the formula. It's just to give enough time. So you don't have to change the formula. So at the moment you have 100 crores, it's not I'll change my formula. I'll just be as it is. If the same formula has worked, why it will not work beyond also? But 100 crore के बाद मुझे पैसों के लिए काम नहीं करना. मतलब there's no other target. It will automatically become. But I won't change the formula. Because focus and simplicity. See, Steve Jobs, I'm a big fan of Steve Jobs. He says, just keep your focus on. 99% people, why people don't achieve? Because what you're doing, you've kept your focus on. And that's why you are who you are today. In our industry, people just change the focus. अच्छा अभी हम इतने बड़े हो गए, अब हम प्रॉपर्टी में कर लेते हैं. Now I do some fancy stuff. Fancy is not good. Simple is something that creates wealth for you. Any decision that I take in life, I always look from the lens of simplicity, Masoom. And whatever we have come this far is only because of focus. Month on month, kept on doing SIP, good markets, bad markets, doesn't matter.
It's just discipline.
Just dalte jao. You will beat 99.9% investors on this planet. 99.9. Even on your own. You don't need me. I mean, I'm just giving an example. Nobody needs an advisor. If all our viewers can do SIP in an index fund for 20 years, they would beat 99% of investors on this planet. But problem kya hai?
They would beat 99%.
99% investors, their fellow kind of friends or this thing.
Because there's a speculation.
Because all others want fast lane. You've been to airports. There are many queues, right? Suppose you are here and the other queue is shorter. What do you try to do?
You go there.
That's a mistake all of us make in lives. We are always looking for that fast hack ki yaar, kahan fast bana sakte hain? The moment this grid comes in, nothing happens there. If you just stay consistent, you'll make a lot of money. But when everything in the world around you is going faster or appear to be going faster, it's very difficult to remain consistent.
I think we're there right now. I think right now is the time to say it because everything is moving so fast around us. And every industry is booming.
Correct. So at least with your money, I can say, Masum, relax, don't worry. If crypto is going out this and don't worry. Your goals and everything will be met by this. See, this is the role of a good advisor, to just calm you, to make you, to make you understand. On our own, it might be very difficult to do it. So it takes 20 years to build wealth, but it takes 25 years to know कि it takes 20 years to build wealth. Right? लोगों को 20 साल बाद समझ में आता है कि यार हमने क्या गलती की है. So इसीलिए many times people who come from finance industry to us and अपना पैसा देते हैं, we said sorry, we can't manage money for you because you think you're from finance field, you think and because you have a baggage, it is very difficult to clean your thought process and start. We can't manage their money. There'll always be friction. Today, because you trust me, see, you trust me, you say, Gajinder bhai, I don't know anything about this and I trust you. The moment you say these words, मेरी रातों की नींद उड़ जाती है. Because now you are trusting me. How can I let you down? How can I go wrong? मेरा पैसा अगर down भी चला जाए, it's okay, I'm not answerable. But for your money, I'm answerable to you now. Your dreams, everything is at stake, right? And now the corpus is becoming larger. I have to think 10 times what I'm doing with your money. Trust is a big thing. So that is why we want to keep it simple so that we don't let it go down. If you've come to me, listen to me.
Got it.
Come to me with your problem statement. Gajendra, I want this in life. I want this in life. Let's write it down. I believe in the power of writing. If you write it down, Gajendra, 10 years down the line, I want this. And I will also write down, Masum, ye guaranteedly ho jayega. If we both follow this process. The problem is 90% don't follow it. As in, they change the problem statement after 5 years. You know what is the biggest problem in many people's lives? We are moving our goal post all the time.
So true.
Right?
So true.
आज ये घर लेना था, कल चेंज हो गया, नहीं अब ये नहीं ये, अब ये नहीं ये. Then we'll never be happy.
Because our exposure has tripled, right?
Correct.
And I think you're witnessing so much moving so fast that you get shaky.
You get shaky. I understand. But see, how much is enough? Where do you stop? Someday you have to draw this, right? So I know 100 crore is enough for me. This house is enough or whatever. Rolls Royce, my dream car was always Rolls Royce. उसके पहले भी कोई गाड़ी नहीं, उसके बाद भी कोई गाड़ी नहीं. But I know where to stop. I know, even in my business also, I know where to stop. I know for whom to work at some stage of life. And I'm lucky that I've got that clarity. But until we have this clarity, we'll keep on running around after things. We'll never be happy. कितना भी पैसा हम कमा लें, we'll never be happy. See, for me, as an advisor, the making money is half the job. Making you use this money, spend this money for the purpose is the remaining half. If I'm not able to make you spend and see smile, तो फिर what's the purpose?
That's the thing, right? With money, I think you're so focused on making it and growing it, you forget to enjoy it.
Correct. So we have a client, 75-year-old lady, widow. Husband was in United Nations, passed away. She had 2 crores of assets, all in direct stocks, which husband was managing. Now husband is not there. She doesn't know what to do. She came to me through a referral and she didn't know anything about stocks or mutual funds. I says, look, we don't do direct stocks. We only know mutual funds. So we can put in a mutual fund and we can start SWB for you, right? It's been 7 years now, Masum. Start with 2 crores. Every month now she's withdrawing 2.3 lakhs rupees right now. Still, she's having 4 crores of assets in her corpus. Okay. Every time she comes to our office, once in a year, she lives in Hyderabad. Once in a year she comes. Every time she comes, she cries. She says, I can't tell you how much confidence today I have in you guys. You made my life so easy. So this is the real work.